Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to actually get rich with crypto. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Everyone wants to get rich with cryptocurrencies. But few people know much about how the industry works and what risks are involved. In this video, we will talk about the tried and true way to get rich with crypto and explain what it means. The biggest problem with the crypto markets is that most people don't know how it works, which makes them easy targets for scams and false promises. Even though there are a lot of ways to make money with crypto, most of them aren't sustainable or reliable. First, purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum. The two most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have been around for a long time and developers from all over the world use them. If you are like most retail investors, you probably can't invest or lose six-figure amounts in the short term. So it's better to put your money into projects that have already been adopted and have a real world use case. If you buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and keep them from 5 to 6 years, your money will almost certainly grow. Thousands of developers around the world are using products that use cryptocurrency. Most of these products have something to do with Bitcoin or Ethereum. The second is self-custody. You don't want to be in an exchange. No matter how much yield, security, or other perks they promise, hackers can still steal your money and use it for bad things. Your cryptocurrency is at risk if an exchange is hacked, goes down unexpectedly, stops withdrawals, or loses access to its funds. The best way to keep your cryptocurrency safe is to keep it in a secure wallet that only you and the people you choose can access. This way, even if someone gets into your account on an exchange, they won't be able to steal your money because it's not stored there. 3. Don't use leverage. Crypto markets are known for being very unstable, and there is a lot of market manipulation going on in the industry. It's hard to tell if you are being scammed or if a scam work could close out your position in a matter of seconds. I think that the best way to stay safe in the crypto world is to not use leverage because there is no way to know if the exchange or bigger players are trading against small investors. The best thing you can do to protect yourself is to only buy what you can afford to lose. 4. Hodl. Hold on to your investments for 5 to 7 years. Buying a lot of cryptocurrency and leaving it alone is the best way to invest in it. Hold on to it for a very long time. Let's say you can get an average of 100,000 US dollars per year in Bitcoin over the next 7 years. By the end of 7 years, you are either worth a lot of money or you are broke. The other possibility is that the price didn't change much, which would be a good thing. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.